Reuters.
These novices are the bearers of a centuries-old tradition of Tibetan monks. But these young boys have never been out of Nepal. They only know of their distant homeland from books and stories, or recently through news reports of violence in Lhasa.
We just pray and hope that Tibetan problem will be solved within the life of Dalai Lama. This is the Tibetan people hope.
Kathmandu receives development aid from Beijing and doesn't recognize Tibetans as refugees, but it does allow them free passage to India. Still, 20,000 Tibetans now live in Nepal, and thousands more slip across the Himalayan border to flee China every year. With the Olympics approaching, the feeling of solidarity is strong.
If there is freedom for Tibetans in China, then I would support the Games. But today, there is no freedom, so the Olympics should be cancelled.
Kathmandu has seen some of the more violent anti-China protests by young Tibetans.
I feel that though we are born here, though we have jobs and things and livings here, we have an attachment for them.
Tibetan elders worry young refugees are getting restless and will become violent once the aged Dalai Lama is gone.
Many of the Tibetans here were born in Nepal or India, but still they're intent on keeping the dream of freedom for their homeland alive. Masako Iijima, Reuters, Kathmandu.